Mariel Weiss with Remax Realty Group, and I'm going to review with you what exactly does it cost to sell a home. When selling a home, there are certain costs that are fixed by local authorities and other costs which can vary based on your property. Some of the most typical costs you will hear include transfer tax, real estate commissions, notary, broker, or permit fees, certifications, and resale packages. And although not all of those fees apply to every single transaction, that's a list of the most common. What I'm about to give you is a generalization on each of them, but you're certainly encouraged to speak with a local real estate agent to get specifics for your property. There's no set standard regarding real estate commissions or broker fees. Much like anything else, you get what you pay for. And I've seen these fees range anywhere from a flat fee or 2 to 8% of the final sales price. And much of the time it's dependent upon the norm for your area, the listing program or the agent that you choose, and the services that are rendered. There's a lot that can vary within that range of services that would then affect that ultimate price. Then you have transfer tax, which is paid whenever real property changes hands. This also varies by area. In most of southeastern Pennsylvania, the cost for the seller would be 1% for transfer tax. In Philadelphia, it's 2%. And that's both of those would be paid at closing. The buyer also has to pay transfer tax, but we're not going to worry about what they have to pay in this one. Most of the time, you will also need to get certifications showing that taxes and water and sewer and sometimes even trash have been paid and up to date. And there are minimal costs for each of these, ranging anywhere from $25 to $100 each, and that's typically paid before closing so that the permits, or the certifications rather, can be acquired before closing. You may have to get a use and occupancy permit, which also varies by area. The average cost for the permit itself is around $100, along with any required repairs or certifications required by that local authority to bring the property up to their standards. If your property is located in an association of any type, you'll most likely need to get a resale package, and the fee for that ranges between $200 and $400. The package itself includes information that needs to be provided by the buyer, like the association rules and regulations, the budget, bylaws, and a certification stating that the seller of the property is paid up to date on their association dues. And finally, there could be fees at closing for a notary fee, or maybe something imposed by your mortgage company as a payoff fee, and those are typically minimal, under $50 or so. If you have questions about this, or if there's anything else I can do for you, feel free to contact me via phone or email. Thanks.